So this is a combination lock we have bought from this Flipkart. The cost around 110 rupees. So I think this is the default combination. Let's check this out if this is the default one. One 364. So then I think 1 3 6 4. Okay. 1 no, lock is not unlocked. So 1 2 6. Oh, it's so hard. 1 3 6 8 4. Okay, so this is how it works. Not bad at all. So this is a made in China product. So nothing much here. Okay, that's all. These are the lock, and there is a combination. Just put this and move around. Fuck. So let me tell you one thing. This is a fixed lock. That means you cannot set any specific number at your choice. So for my lock, this is 1364 is the unlock number. So because if you can see, there is a combination hole here. So at this number, this portion will be opened, and if you see the other part, there is 4 portion to lock. So if the 4 number are in alignment, they will just get locked, otherwise you cannot set. So just keep it in mind that you cannot set any another number before telling the combination number. So this is pretty usable in any rent house where you have a separate lock in outside, but you want to just be ensured that no one is go inside your apartment, your portion. So then you can just put it. It will not provide you any better security, but it will ensure you that no one is inside your room in the absence of your. So and you don't have to carry any key. That's another plus point. Okay, then thank you. I will put the product link in the description box. Okay, thanks for watching. If you want some this kind of useful video, then please subscribe and stay happy.